Hello students, myself Manisha Sharma from Government College of Education, Panvel. So students, today we are going to learn a theme-based lesson named deforestation. Okay, so students, before starting our topic, let's see some questions. Okay, someone read the first question. Yes, have you ever planted a tree? Yes, tell me, have you ever planted a tree? Yes, we all have planted trees many a times. Very good. Now read question number 2. Why do we need to plant trees? Yes, tell me, why do we need to plant trees? Yes, very good. We need to plant trees for oxygen, food, etc. Very nice. Okay, now we'll start with our topic deforestation. So first let's see what's meant by deforestation. Okay, deforestation is the action or process of cutting or clearing wide area of trees. Okay, now see this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, many of the trees are cut down. Okay, so see, deforestation is cutting off trees in a wider area. Yes or no? Not one or two. Many of the trees are cut down. This is called as deforestation. Okay, so now we'll see the causes of deforestation. What causes deforestation? So see the first one, agricultural activities. How agricultural activities cause deforestation? Yes, let's see. Agriculture leads to around 80% of deforestation due to overgrowing demand of food products. Okay, why the demand of food products is growing? Yes, because of population, growing of population. Yes, so from where did we get the food? Yes, from the farms. So if there is no space for farmers to plant or to grow, cultivate their crops, so how will we get the food? Yes, because of this problem, they cut many of the trees for a wider area. Yes or no? So it causes deforestation. See how the area is cleaned for agriculture. Yes. Now let's see the second cause, livestock ranching. Okay, so first let us know what's livestock. Yes, livestock is animals of farmers or someone's. Okay, so let's see. Farmers clear the land by cutting trees to raise their animals and feed them. Okay, means farmers cut down the trees so that their animals get a space to eat food or eat grass. Have you ever seen livestock ranching? Yes, in village side it's common. Okay, see this picture. How these cows are grazing grass. Yes, it's livestock ranching. Because of this, the farmers cut trees, which cause deforestation. Okay, now let's see the third cause, illegal cutting of trees. So see, trees are being cut for meeting the demands of suppliers. Wood-based industries like furniture, matchstick, etc. need large quantity of wood. Yes or no? Our furniture is made up of wood. Yes. Wood comes from where? Trees. Very nice. So because of this also deforestation is increasing. Illegal cutting. So many of people are cutting it illegally. Means they are not taking a permission of government. They are just cutting, which which is wrong. For cutting trees, you should have a proper permission letter. Yes or no? How we can cut a tree? If you have planted a tree and someone else come and cut it, so how will you feel? Not good. Yes or no? You will feel bad. So we can't cut illegally. Yes or no? Yes. See how the trees are cutted. In a wider area, not one or two, they cut many of the trees at a time. Okay, now let's see the fourth cause, urbanization. Construction of roads, factories, expansion of cities takes place by cutting many of the trees. Okay, see, urbanization. In urbanization, what happens? people has to construct roads, factories, and expansion of cities in the sense we can say that suppose there is a city and the population is very much and the buildings are less in according to the population, so of course they will cut down the trees and they will construct buildings over there. Yes or no? Yes, and many of the roads are being taken from the forests by cutting trees. This causes deforestation. See how, have you ever seen the picture of our earth? It's of green, na? Greenery represents trees, plants. Now see this picture. What you can see? Road, buildings, factories. Yes or no? Yes. This is causing deforestation. Okay, now let's see the next cause. What's it? Forest fires. Forest fires. Hundreds of trees are lost each year due to forest fire in various portions of world. Means it's common in summers or extreme winters. See, if there is more heat and the trees are in the heat, so of course they will be burnt, na? Yes or no? Yes. So forest fire can be natural or also man made. Yes or no? Man can also do, na? Yes. So see how this forest is burning. Yes, let's see the next cause. Paper. Okay, paper is our need and we need paper, but we can less our use now. We can reduce our use of paper. Yes, paper also causes deforestation. Suppose if you are writing something and you write on a page, and if something is wrong, then you throw the whole page. Yes or no? Many people do this. They throw the whole page. This can be reduced. Yes or no? Yes. We should save trees. Okay, now let's see the next cause. Overpopulation. Overpopulation requires more land to establish house and shelters. Okay, we have seen this in some points. Overpopulation needs more land. Okay, so suppose same example. We are living in a city, population is very much and the space is less to live. So we have to build buildings to live for people. Yes or no? Yes, it causes deforestation. Okay. Now let's see some effects of deforestation. Because of deforestation, what happens? So see the first effect, climate change. Deforestation affects the climate in many ways. Forests are the lungs of our planet. When we cut the trees, the humidity level comes down. Okay. Climate change is the big effect of deforestation. Whenever the climate changes, everything changes. Yes or no? Yes. Why the climate changes? Because of cut down of trees. Yes or no? The trees are being cut down and the oxygen level is also decreasing because of cut down of trees, and the humidity level also decreases because of cut down of trees. So the climate changes. Yes or no? So now see the second effect, increase in global warming. Yes. Let's see. Trees play a major role in controlling global warming. The trees utilize greenhouse gases, restoring the balance in the atmosphere. With constant deforestation, the ratio of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has increased. So see what's in this point. Trees plays trees plays a major role in controlling greenhouse gases. Okay, trees observe the greenhouse gases and restore the balance in the atmosphere. But if there will be no trees, if there will be less trees, then the greenhouse gases are increased in the atmosphere, na? Which cause danger to our atmosphere. Yes or no? Yes. So now let's see the third effect, floods. When it rains, trees absorb and store a large amount of water with help of their roots. Okay. Floods are also a main effect of deforestation. Let's see how. Suppose it's raining. The tree's roots absorb the rainwater, okay, which stops or prevents floods. And if there will be no roots, no trees, then how the water will be absorbed? It will not be absorbed. Of course, floods will come. Yes or no? Yes. Now let's see the fourth effect, wildlife extinction. Okay. Due to the massive cutting down of trees, various animal species are lost. Okay, due to massive means large cutting down of trees, huge cutting down of trees. What happens? Various animal species are lost. How they are lost? Suppose if a kind of species of bird is living on a tree, and the tree has been cut down, and you have seen that animals live down the tree, they take shelter of tree. Yes or no? Yes. If there will be no trees, then why will animals stay there? They will also move from one place to another, no, where they can find many trees. Yes, it's a effect of deforestation, wildlife extinction. Let's see the next one, food insecurity in future. Deforestation for food may result in food insecurity in future. Currently, 52% of all the land used for food production is highly impacted by soil erosion. Okay, so do you know what soil erosion? Yes, whenever we cut a tree, the upper layer of the soil is removed, which we can say that the plants don't grow nicely because of soil erosion. Yes or no? Yes. So how will be the food grown? The roots of the roots of the food or a crop will not be too strong to grow. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now let's see solutions to deforestation. What are the solutions for deforestation? First one, government regulations. Second one, afforestation or reforestation. Third one is reduce consumption of paper. Fourth, educate others. Okay, so let's see the first one, government regulations. Okay, government should take a step to reduce deforestation. Yes or no? Yes, there should be many rules and regulations on cutting of trees. Okay, now see the second one, afforestation or reforestation. What's meant by afforestation? Afforestation means planting more and more trees. Okay, third one, reduce consumption of paper. Means we should reduce the consumption of paper. We should use less paper which is needed. We shouldn't waste the paper. Yes or no? Yes. Fourth one, educate others. Okay. Suppose we can educate others. Suppose in our family also or in our neighboring, we can say na ki reduce the paper consumption or don't cut trees or grow more and more trees. Yes or no? Yes, we can. Okay, now answer some questions. Answer the following questions. Yes, read the first question. Anyone? Yes, what is meant by deforestation? Yes, tell me. What is meant by deforestation? Yes, very good. Deforestation means cutting down of cutting down of trees in a huge area. Yes, very nice. Now read the question 2. Mention any two causes of deforestation. Yes, tell me any two causes of deforestation. Yes, first one livestock ranching. Yes, anyone other? Second cause? Yes, very good. Agricultural practices. Very nice. Now read the question 3. How can we reduce deforestation? Yes, you can tell me any small step also it can do. How can we reduce deforestation? Anything. Yes, very nice. We can reduce deforestation by planting more and more trees. Very nice. Have you all understood what's deforestation, its causes, its effects, and how means we have solutions for also. Okay. Now write down the homework question. Should we plant more and more trees? If yes, explain why. Okay, have you all understood the question? Why should we plant more and more trees? Or should we plant more and more trees? Then if you feel yes, we should plant, then why? Yes. You have to write this question. Okay, students. Thank you and have a nice day and plant more and more trees.